The RAPID project will save lives. It delivers an early warning system to detect critical deterioration in transport system infrastructure and minimize disruption and delays to critical supply chains by combining and extending drone technology. RAPID also reduces time, costs, and greenhouse gas emissions. The third step of RAPID methodology is the mission approval. RAPID performs a digital transformation of drone flight approval to enable safe, automated and compliant service delivery. It needs to encompass aerial and maritime legal procedures in relation to unmanned platforms. Compliance is achieved through a series of manual complex processes and procedures, including a specific operational risk assessment that predicts the mission's safety. RAPID digitalizes it to enable automatic generation of comprehensive safety portfolios that detail the flight safety objectives, operational risk assessment, and mitigation and containment measures. RAPID Risk Management Platform improves pre-flight decision-making by identifying the safest flight path and optimal risk-reducing mitigations by deep data mining the CSP information.